Welcome to our channel. While Amazon Prime Video doesn't have call logs since it's a streaming service, you may want to back up your viewing history or account information. Follow these steps to export your Amazon Prime Video data. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Amazon.com, then sign into your Amazon account. Step 2. Hover over Accounts and Lists in the top right corner and select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section and click on Request My Data. Step 4. Select Prime Video from the list of data types you can request from Amazon. Step 5. Choose additional data categories if desired, such as watch history, ratings, or viewing recommendations. Step 6. Select your preferred data format and click Submit Request to begin the data export process. Step 7. Wait for Amazon to process your request, which typically takes a few days, and check your email for notification. Step 8. Download your data when the request is complete by following the link in the notification email from Amazon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.